Hi first graders, today for science, I decided to make a special video about a leaf investigation. So today if you could go outdoors, anywhere that you live, or you can find some leaves on the ground and pick up a few. I picked up a whole bag and we're going to go through some of them today and talk about what's the same and what's different. That's called comparing and contrasting. So at first I just want to show you the leaves that I got. So I'm just going to hold them up. And as I hold them up, you're going to notice that some of them are similar and some of them are very different. I want you to notice the size, the shape, the color, the type of leaf. Some have one, some have multiple. Some are bumpy, some are smooth. Some even have like little teeth. Some are big and some are small. Okay, so once you have your leaves, so go outside right now, you can pause the video, go outside, collect a bunch of leaves, at least like 4 or 5. If you can find some different ones, that would be good. And then come back and we'll talk about your leaves. Okay, so now that you're back, I want you to look at your leaves and decide what size is my leaf. Okay, so here I have a leaf that is pretty large. Then here I have a leaf that is like a medium-sized leaf. And then finally, I have a leaf that is even smaller. Okay, so small, medium, and large leaves. What size is yours? Maybe you can arrange them from smallest to largest. Next, let's talk about what color your leaf is. So you can talk about each one at a time. So here I have a leaf that is still kind of green. It's a little bit yellow. It also has some brown spots on it. Here I have a leaf that is a beautiful dark red color. Here I have a leaf that is kind of brownish yellowish. Okay, so you can go through your leaves and discuss with your homework helper what colors and what size. I also want to know, what is the texture of your leaf? Is it bumpy? Is it smooth? Does it have any rips or crinkles? For example, this leaf right here, as you can see, has some bumps on it. And the other leaves that I have are very smooth. Some of the leaves that I picked up have some rips and some crinkles and some tears in there. And it's just important to observe and talk about what you see, because scientists do a lot of observing. Okay, now let's look at the edges of your leaves. Does your leaf have points or smooth edges? So even this one has a few little teeth on it, so that one's not totally smooth. But for example, this one right here has little teeth on it, like we talked about before. It has like a serrated edge, kind of. Okay. And last but not least, I just want you to pick out your favorite one. I mean, maybe if you have a scrap piece of paper, you can draw it. It'd be really cool, really cool, if you would take a picture on Class Dojo and send it to me if you have time. Say, this is my favorite leaf, and you can show me. All right? It's awesome this time of year to just get outside, breathe the fresh air, and enjoy nature. Thanks for listening today, friends, and I hope you enjoyed your leaf investigation.